Hello, hello, what's this? A new video for 2025? Been a while, yes it has. Welcome back to the channel where today, for the first video, what better reasoning for a video than new car day. So we're currently on the way to Group 1 BMW Chelmsford, formerly Inchcape Chelmsford, where they've supplied me with a few cars over the years to film for the channel. Yeah, we pick up the Gran Coupe's replacement. This car's 2 years old now, give or take a week. Served us well. Nothing wrong with it at all. We just fancy a bit of an upgrade, something that was a bit more future-proof and, well, better spec as well. And yeah, it's always nice for a new car. I'll just explain why I've had a bit of a break, I guess, for the past 6 months. No real reasoning behind it. It's just life gets in the way, I guess, as it does for everyone. Focusing on my career, smashing out the overtime, lack of motivation for the channel, for just being tired from work, and when I was motivated, things like the weather and plans didn't line up, so it all fell through. And yeah, it just gets to a point where you're just like, oh, can't be arsed anymore. But yeah, back motivated, new car day, let's do it. A 220i Gran Coupe has been a perfect car for the past 2 years that we've owned it, and yeah, now we just want to future-proof ourselves a bit more, get something a bit bigger, a bit spacious, something that can do a bit more of the workload, and I guess something that we could tour in a bit more, I guess, really travel about a bit more, not worry about space and yeah, everything that goes with it. So what better car to replace the Gran Coupe with than another touring car, a proper touring car. So we're currently on the way to Group 1 to pick up the replacement. Yeah, let's go have a look. Right, and there we go. It's time to say goodbye to the Gran Coupe, just like we did with the M2. Hand it over, say bye to the keys, hand them back. We've got a bag of bits out of the car, and we're going to transfer it into the new one. Goodbye Gran Coupe. And here it is, the new car. 3 Series 320i Touring M Sport with the M Sport Pro Pack and the visibility pack. So we get a nice little show when we unlock it. Oh, snazzy, it's the little things. Visibility pack means we've got the laser lights, which I very much miss because we had them on the M2, obviously the older version, we had them on the M2, and I love them to bits. Yeah, more practicality. Later generation M Sport wheels that you get with the M Pro pack. So the new M Pro pack, you get wheels like that, because this is a second-hand, not second-hand, it's ex-demo. It's got the older generation M Pro wheels on it. So little differences. Interior is a lot nicer. Have a look. Being a newer car as well, new 3 Series, it's got the iDrive 8 system, so it's got the full curved screen as well. Only thing I don't like, and I've said this I think on most BMWs now, is the gear selector is just a tab now rather than an actual like gear knob that you can grab hold of. Yeah, other than that, it's a lot nicer, a lot bigger, a bit more of a like fake Alcantara centre with the leather sides on the bolster. The nice little touches here and there, again because it's got the M Sport Pro Pack, little M touches everywhere, which is really nice. And one of the main reasons I love the M Pro Pack is because we've finally got rid of the chrome grille and we've gone all black, so it looks a bit gangstery apart from the diamond cut wheels, but it breaks up nicely with the red calipers. So I'll probably do more of a rundown on that car, on the car soon, once we've had it a couple of days. But again, thanks to Harvey, now Group 1 BMW Chelmsford, and we're going to go, hang on, take the car home, enjoy it for the weekend. Just wait for a little show. I like that. Right. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Hope you enjoyed the new car in the first video of 2025, and stay tuned for more to come. So I'll see you later.